The Rack Basics RB-VCM Series is a cost-effective, vertical cable manager that includes a number of time-saving installation features. The RB-VCM includes horizontal stabilizers that swing out of the way, allowing for effortless cable bundle installation. Rerouting cables are a breeze with openings located along one side of the manager. Foam gaskets ensure the manager door closes gently. Organize cables with integrated mounting points using the optional Hammond TS96 hook and loop strapping. For more information, contact your local Hammond representative.